There was the first rain of the season last night, which was amazing. It woke me up a few times, but I don't care. I get to wear my first hoodie today. It's so awesome. I'm excited. It's awesome. Not only is there hella nice weather, there's thunder and lightning up there. There's my dog. She's silly. She wants me to take a picture with her in it. Minnie! Hi, girl. Hi, Minge. That had to be like... That one was really close. It scared my dog. My pretty trees. Waiting to... Every time there's lightning, I don't get it. But it is starting to rain again, so... It was a giant crack of lightning right there. I missed it. I think the storm is heading right over me because, like, yeah. I gotta go inside now. Or go over here, actually. Right here's fine. I gotta go now. Update, it is now officially hailing and really heavily raining. can't tell when I point it up, but... They're always right above me. Just wait for it. Told you. The rain seems to be calming down a bit. Not that much, but... There went another flash. Hold on. That just seems to be California. California's like that. It'll go from not raining or anything, it'll be sunny or somewhat cloudy, to having lightning, to being really stormy like it is right now. So... my pajama bottoms are now officially soaking wet. Do you see the change in color? Yeah. And like right down there, they're soaking. But that's all for today. I have a crap load of laundry to put away. But make sure to check out the video I posted earlier. I'm doing the 30-day self-harm challenge I just started today. Because obviously I'm new to videos. Hope you have a good day or good night, depending on where you're at.